Telefaxes. Liposuction is a great option for patients who are comfortable with their weight but not their shape. Liposuction, or lipo for short, first made its appearance in 1975. Doctors Arpad and Giorgio Fischer are often credited with developing the earliest version of the procedure that involved using a blunt cannula to remove fat through small incisions. Power-assisted liposuction, PAL, is one of the newest liposuction techniques in 2024. Often considered as one of the best types of liposuction for stomach, it has revolutionized traditional liposuction techniques by incorporating mechanical assistance for fat removal. Which liposuction method should I choose? When considering various techniques for liposuction, it is important to understand that good results can be achieved by a specialist, and not by a technique or even equipment that is not used. For example, turning to an experienced hairdresser, you can be sure that you will leave the master with an excellent haircut, regardless of what a specialist used in his work, scissors or a clipper. Is warm sculpting an effective liposuction alternative? Cool sculpting might be a more widely known treatment, but warm sculpting with SculpSure could be the next big thing in body contouring. This non-invasive treatment uses laser energy to heat fat cells and eliminate them without impacting the surrounding tissue. Warm sculpting is a much more comfortable treatment option if you're sensitive to cold. Additionally, warm sculpting can treat multiple areas in one treatment, and unlike cool sculpting, those areas aren't limited by the size of the device applicator. If you're near your goal weight but have some spots that don't respond to diet or exercise, warm sculpting can remove 24% of fat cells in the treated area.
Introducing SculpSure, a breakthrough in non-invasive body contouring which uses hyperthermic laser technology to safely and effectively disrupt fat cells below the skin surface for natural-looking results. 4 applicators can be customized into a variety of configurations to meet patients' needs, and multiple treatments can be performed on a patient in a single day. The 1060 nanometer wavelength has a high affinity for adipose tissue. This energy is delivered through a proprietary modulation method to elevate subdermal temperature between 42 and 47 degrees Celsius. Continuous contact cooling keeps the skin safe throughout the treatments. The elevation of temperature damages the structural integrity of adipose cell membranes in each 25-minute treatment. Over time, the disrupted fat cells are eliminated by the body's lymphatic system. SculpSure, innovative, light-based technology to destroy stubborn fat.
The undoubted advantage of non-surgical liposuction is a quick recovery, as well as the absence of severe bruising and swelling. But there are also disadvantages. If, when using traditional methods, the effect is noticeable immediately, then after cosmetic procedures, you will have to wait several months to evaluate the result. To achieve a noticeable effect, as a rule, several sessions are required. In addition, non-surgical liposuction is used to correct small areas of the body where fat deposits cannot be removed with diet and exercise. With a large amount of excess fat, the traditional approach is indispensable. EvolveX. EvolveX is a revolutionary body contouring treatment. It combines electrical muscle stimulation, EMS, and radio frequency, RF, technology. This temperature-controlled bipolar RF treatment makes use of as many as 54 temperature sensors. This ensures optimal heating and muscle contraction. EMS stimulates muscle contractions, while RF heats the underlying tissues. This helps promote collagen production and tighten the skin. EvolveX, often considered the best body sculpting procedure. Naturally, it is a popular choice for people who seek the best non-surgical body contouring and fat reduction solution.
Evolve Tide RF Energy for circumferential reduction and skin tightening. Smart RF thermistors maintain therapeutic skin contraction temperatures. Hands-free applicators deliver uniform and volumetric heating to the skin and subdermal layer. Maintaining clinically proven therapeutic temperatures stimulates neocollagenesis. Bulk heat regenerates the FSN, resulting in tighter skin. Four hands-free applicators deliver electrical muscle stimulation, EMS, to stimulate involuntary muscle contractions. Evolve Tone targets specific muscle groups to increase muscle strength and refine the look of muscles, without downtime. Electric muscle stimulation optimizes cellular metabolism and regeneration of muscle fibers, resulting in a more toned appearance. Evolve transforms 6 hands-free applicators that deliver electric muscle stimulation, EMS, as well as delivering RF energy. A combination of RF heat and electric muscle stimulation enables more effective circumference reduction. Electric muscle stimulation optimizes cellular metabolism and regeneration of muscle fibers, while radio frequency energy distributes heat to the skin and underlying fat.
Future. 3D imaging and virtual reality, VR, are transforming how liposuction is performed, making the process more accurate and improving the patient experience. These technologies give both doctors and patients a clear and detailed view of the body, which helps in planning the surgery and predicting the results. How 3D imaging works. 3D imaging uses advanced scanners to create detailed, three-dimensional models of a patient's body. Here's how it helps. Planning the surgery, doctors use these 3D models to plan exactly where they will remove fat. This ensures they target the right areas and achieve the best results. Seeing the results beforehand, patients can see a realistic preview of what their body will look like after the surgery. This helps them understand what to expect and feel more confident about the procedure. Precision. By having a detailed map of the body, surgeons can be more precise in removing fat, making the results look natural and balanced. How virtual reality, VR, works. Virtual reality, VR, creates an immersive, interactive experience, which is beneficial in several ways. During consultations, VR can show patients a virtual simulation of the surgery and the expected outcomes. This makes it easier for patients to understand the process and set realistic expectations. Training surgeons can use VR to practice and refine their techniques, especially for complex procedures. This continuous practice helps improve their skills and the quality of the surgery. Monitoring recovery, VR and 3D imaging can be used after the surgery to track how the body is healing and to compare the actual results with the planned outcomes, ensuring everything is progressing well. Benefits of 3D imaging and VR in liposuction. Detailed planning. 3D models allow for detailed pre-surgery planning, ensuring precise fat removal and better results. Clear visualization. Patients get to see a realistic preview of their post-surgery body, helping them make informed decisions and have realistic expectations. Clear explanations. Using 3D and VR, doctors can clearly explain the procedure and expected results, making it easier for patients to understand. Aligned expectations. When patients know exactly what to expect, they are more likely to be satisfied with the results. Enhanced training and skills. VR provides a platform for surgeons to practice and perfect their skills, leading to better surgical outcomes and higher patient satisfaction. Choosing a liposuction technique for your goals. Choosing a liposuction method depends on your specific goals, body type, and health condition. If you're looking for precise muscle definition and have good skin elasticity, Vaser High Definition Liposuction, HDL, might be the best choice. For those with stubborn fat in fibrous areas, ultrasound-assisted liposuction, UAL, is a solid option because it liquefies fat with ultrasonic waves, potentially making it easier to remove with minimal tissue damage. Power-assisted liposuction, PAL, is ideal for those with lipoedema, as it uses a vibrating cannula to break up fat gently and efficiently, which potentially makes it easier to remove with less force. The bottom line. It's important to remember that results can vary from person to person. Everyone's body responds differently to liposuction, so while these methods offer many benefits, no outcome is guaranteed. Individual results depend on factors such as your unique anatomy, the amount of fat removed, and how well you follow post-procedure care instructions.